We'll guide you through how to make invert text After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create an invert text effect in Adobe After Effects, start by opening your search bar on Windows and typing After Effects. When the program appears in the results, click it to launch the application and wait until it fully loads. Once you are inside the workspace, select the option labeled New Composition so you can begin working on a fresh project. After creating the composition, move to the project bar, right-click inside it, and select Import so you can bring in the footage you want to use. Choose the file from your computer and confirm the import. When the footage appears in the project panel, click and drag it down into the timeline so it becomes visible in your composition. Next, right-click inside the timeline area and select New, and then choose Text to create a new text layer. Click on the text layer and type the words you want to display on top of your footage. After entering the text, right-click the timeline again and select New, and then choose Adjustment Layer. This layer will be used to apply the invert effect. With the adjustment layer selected, go to the search bar in the Effects panel and type Invert so you can find the correct effect quickly. Once the invert effect appears, drag and drop it onto the adjustment layer. At this point, the entire composition may look inverted, but the goal is to limit the effect to the text area only. To do this, click the toggle switches or modes button located below the timeline so additional blending and track options become visible. After enabling those options, drag the adjustment layer so it sits directly below the text layer in the timeline. This order is important because it allows the text to control where the effect appears. Next, locate the Track Matte option on the adjustment layer and set it to use the text layer. This will mask the invert effect so it only shows through the shape of the text. Once the track matte is applied, you will see that the invert effect now appears only inside the text, while the rest of the footage remains unchanged. Play back your composition to confirm the result.